All right, everything going by plan because after the upbeat listing, usually the token's going down. So I warned you in a recent video about the ICP. Upbeat listing, it's usually the positive in a moment on that day of announcement. But after that, in fact, maybe the whales on other exchanges, maybe the Korean whales dump it or short that tokens after a listing because we dump it 15%. Of course, it's not like a crazy dump, but it was a perfect rejection at 27 level by VIP. I mentioned that in that video because we got a like impulse, consolidation, 27 level, and stop it at 38. So that's why I don't like it. I don't like it because most likely, or once again, by end of the week, of this week, if we hold the line at 50 EMA on 12 time frame, on the daily we trade under, we can go once again to sweep the high and test the 100 EMA. For example, it can be this move like 1, 2, 3 rise pattern, maybe even $3.18. And after that, most likely we're going to dump once again to 237. I mentioned at 237, maybe even at 217, but honestly, I don't think so. We're going to drop that low. I tried to open the futures trades. So my zone of interest for the ICP here, 229, 237 on the daily time frame. On the 12 time frame, yes, we can see something like this one by EMAs. Like this one, maybe the cross lines. And after that, the reversal move again to 200 test. All right, this is what about the EMAs. Let's take a look at the sessions. And on sessions, most likely I'm interested in that opens. Let's hide the sessions. And let's double check the yearly open and the monthly open. So this is two levels. Let's hide, by the way, the recent FIP. This one. So now we consolidate between the yearly open and the monthly open. I'm more than sure by end of the months, we will retest the monthly open again. And this level, it's so attractive now for liquidation. If we check the daily time frame, yes, we can see the two order blocks. The first one, if we count with the week, this order block and the huge gap, we didn't close the 50%, I guess, or close it. No, not yet. So 223, it's a daily gap close, and this order block on the daily. So we got like two order blocks, and I'm more than sure the monthly open and the order block between 245, 237 will be tested in the next few days. After that, this zone is still untradeable. So I think we'll stop, and I hope we're going to stop around $2.30 and not drop under the low. We talked about, you remember that week candle, and we already close, I guess, the 50% of the Donald Trump dump. Here, yes, we dump it, even stop it at 61, and take a look how the price respect the level, guys. Highly recommend you go and check the video how to trade at the weeks. So here, it's not random. I showed you in the first video in October. When we dump it, I mark. So we usually come back and close after this amazing performance from nowhere. You know, ICP pump it from $1.16 to $9. After that, we reject and come back again to 0.5 and to 61. Take a look where we rejected yesterday at 23 of the week. That's why I don't think so, guys. We're going to drop once again to 61 because we're ready to retest it 2 times. But of course, it's possible to see recapitulation on a BTC, for example, to 65. So unfortunately, the zone like 166, 148 possible to see, but I don't think so. I don't think so. We will see that low. No, makes sense because now a lot of people is ready. A lot of people hold the stable coins and ready to fill their bags. So I don't understand the point of the market makers now to give the option everybody to fill their bags and be rich at the end. I don't think so. Now we're in like unstable situation when nobody knows what to do next, and that's the best time for the market makers to wrecks the people on both sides, and the short position and the long position. So here, this order block is around the buy line. Buy line at this current moment on the daily time frame $1.92, and the 12 time frame the buy line a little bit lower, so it's $1.64. So if we will see the flash crash once again, like similar to the October crash, we can lose like 35%, but I don't think so we're gonna lose. Now it looks like more we trade in consolidation, right? And this order block, it's the best option for the trade. If we talk about the leverage trades, we can add the stop loss, even, let's hide the take profit, under this low, like $2, because maybe a little bit lower, because usually $2 is the round number, and the market makers can sweep the liquidity. That's why here 10% stop loss against the I don't know, even to $10. You can weight the target. So 10 against 270. Pretty good. So 10% stop loss against 270. Trade on, buy, no signals to sell. 4 hour time frame sell on recommendation, buy back. 1 hour time frame, some intraday scalps, so it's not necessary. So guys, wait another signal to buy. I guess it will appear around here, 234 or even 211. So for me, it will be the best option to hop into futures trade on the ICP. Money power, no money inflow yet on the day 12 time frame daily, especially ADZ. It's not a time to hop in because it's after upbeat listing. It's just a neutral zone direction. Also, guys, no accumulation from the whales. And the market mood, the last indicator, guys, after here, this was a free on 12 time frame after upbeat listing, and daily, it's just a hopium, but not a free and not a disbelief. I'm better wait this pullback, at least this sweep, and find some reversal formation, the pattern setup for the entry. But of course, for me, better retest this order block once again. So 210, it's more than real to see. And I hope we will see that targets. Guys, I hope you like this video, right? Please in the comment what you think about ICP. And what is your thought about the futures trade? Are we going lower on the $2 again or not? If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.